Okay, so we've purchased this goal tracker spreadsheet. And so what do we need? How do we get around it? And so, Tammy, what do we do?
Well, I think the first thing you're probably going to find is you'll have to go into full view. So go up to view on your, what do you call that? The bar, your
Sounds
toolbar
good.
at the top.
Mm-hmm.
Click on view, go down to enter full screen and enter full screen. Am I still videoing
Mm-hmm.
now?
Yep.
And then you'll come down to the bottom of the page and you'll go into the names bar. You'll click on it down at the bottom and that'll pull up your student class list and you can put your students in and then that will add them to all of the standards. Then if you want to add scores in, you can go up to the layout bar at the top. And then when you go into the OA, the NBT, the NF, the G, and the MD at the bottom are the different strands for math. So you go into whatever strand you're covering,
Oh.
and it has it broken into operations in algebra, and it'll show you all of the standards, but it gets very difficult to keep track of which box you're clicking. So you can go up to layout, click on layout, and then if you want, instead of being in normal view, which is what you're in now, you'll click page layout and it'll give you each individual standard with the
Oh, that's sweet.
names so that you can, it'll be easier to add your numbers in.
Cool.
The end.
Good. So then, okay, so when we're in names, and you were talking about how, like, if I would put, like, if I had more than one class, I would go ahead and just come, let's say I had
With your
three
blank,
yeah.
with before you put any names in, if you have more than one class, you would save, you would make a copy of this entire file that going into, well, you'll have to be out of full view. So you go back to your regular view, you'll come up to the toolbar, hit file, and go save as, and then name it as something different. And then once you have your second one saved, you can go back into your original one and you can put in your names and then you'll have, and it will send the names to everything. Does that make sense?
Yeah, yeah. Sweet. Good. Okay, so now what we are doing, we have purchased the third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, and maybe second grade, Deb. So we made a Dropbox for this, and let me get it for you. And I went ahead and invited y'all, if you're teaching math, to be a part of it. So anyway, this is all will be available to you. There's, I don't know, just a lot of different things. But right here is the Excel goal tracker, and here's the fourth grade and the fifth grade right here. So, but make sure that before you decide to like save and edit stuff, you get in here and copy it to your own Dropbox folders, because we don't want things to be disappearing from here. Anyway, if you have any questions, most likely get a hold of Tammy Smith, because she's the goal tracker queen here. All right, thanks.